Hello, welcome to the unboxing video of the Blok Stax 2G hi-fi furniture, the perfect platform for your high-fidelity equipment to perform from. With its clean design and innovative features, Stax 2G can be built quickly and easily in just a few minutes. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Stax 2G 4-shelf collection in ash and satin white. Whilst we're opening the box, remember to give us a like and a comment. Then, subscribe and ring the bell to hear about all of our future videos. First, let's start by unboxing the shelf base unit. Inside the shelf base box, you'll find an accessories kit, the shelf supports, and the shelf. Inside the base accessories kit, you'll find a quick start guide, 4 bolts, four feet, four magnetic caps, the foot adjustment tool, and the bespoke magnetic T-bar tool. If you wish to mass fill the stand, there's a removable rubber bung to fill the shelf supports with a mass fill material. Place the shelf onto the shelf supports. Attach the bolts to the magnetic T-bar tool. Then secure the shelf, either the glass or plywood, depending on what you've purchased, to the shelf supports. Screw the feet into the Stax 2G base by hand. Keep the spikes for carpets or remove the spikes for hard floors. Let's move on to unboxing the Stax 2G shelf. This one is a Stax 220. Inside the shelf box, you'll find an accessories kit, the shelf supports, and the shelf. Inside the shelf accessories kit, you'll find 4 bolts. Secure the shelf to the shelf supports by screwing in the bolts using the T-bar tool. Once you've finished assembling the other shelves, simply stack the shelves on top of each other. They will naturally locate over the 4 bolt heads on each shelf due to the molded isolation pads on the bottom of the shelf supports. Once fully assembled, you can adjust the foot heights using the included tool to achieve the perfect level. Finally, position the 4 magnetic screw caps over the bolt heads on the top shelf, and your Blok hi-fi rack is ready to go. For more information on Stax 2G, visit blokdirect.com.